What's up, YouTube? So today, my wife been bothering me about cleaning the dryer vent. She said that's why our dryer messed up. We got a new dryer coming tomorrow, so I gotta clean this dryer vent. So I ordered this shit off Amazon. She over here messing with this tree that she been doing for fucking a week now, but whatever. So bought this off Amazon. We putting it together, as you see. It's 30 feet long. I don't know how long ours is, but basically we put all this together, then hook it up to a drill, and it spins this, and it's supposed to clean. It's supposed to clean it. So we're gonna see. It ain't never been clean since we've been living here. We've been living here since 2009. It ain't never been clean. So we're gonna see how dirty it is. I already blew I used my blower, my leaf blower, and I blew that joint. So I don't think it's clogged up, but she said we need to pay somebody to clean it. I said, and that. So we're gonna go ahead. So I ordered this off Amazon. It was like $25. So we're gonna see how it goes. All right, so you see, I don't know how long this is. This is about, I don't know, this is about 15 to 20 feet, I guess. But got it hooked up to my drill. And we can see down there. Zara, chill out. See, and that's supposed to go up in the vent and clean. It's supposed to twist and clean the brush, basically. So that's what we're gonna do. Here we go. All right, we're about to shove this hoe up in here.
Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Okay, so it's already up in there. About to get the drill. And we about to go crazy.
Yeah, but you won't be in the way though. You can go on that side, but you ain't gonna see nothing.
Matter of fact, I'm gonna let Zara do the drill. Hold that. No, put the ball down. Put your ball down. When I tell you to press, you press. When I say let go, let go. All right. Hold on. Let me see real quick. When I say press, you press. When I say let go, you let go. All right. Come over here, man. Press.
You might have to straighten that out, son. Thing smacking me all in the legs.
Oh, shit, left foot falling. Let me see. Damn, shit falling. All right, press. Press. Keep pressing. What happened?
I think it's kind of caught, maybe.
Let me see.
Definitely some stuff coming up.
Shit.
Cause it's got good.
Oh, okay.
Somebody probably has to hold
This hat.
Well, dude.
Are you buying this from TikTok or something?
Well, that's good to know. Fuck around and lose one of these bitches.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I don't like that. I don't like the fact that they don't like stay locked in.
Especially with it twisting like that.
Yeah, that hoe get the twisty boogie in, don't it?
What about that one? It doesn't have it.
It's going crazy.
Like, wait.
Alright, come on.
He's about to do it right here so that nobody gets clean in the head by one of the wires. I don't even know what this is. Turn on the bathroom lights.
Because it's dark over here.
I feel like that's that much.
Mm-hmm.
You feel like that's that much?
Mm.
You get a good look at it?
It looks like there's way more in there.
You know what I'm saying? I'll keep going.
Yeah, I'm gonna make the house.
Do you need to take some of them links out?
How this? I don't know.
Alright, let me get that one. Yeah.
Battery power? What the fuck? Damn.
The battery died?
Crazy.
Wow.
You just going crazy with that hoe too. Alright guys, so I'm finished. This is what I got out of there. Me personally, I don't think that was enough to cause that much damage, but my wife was scared it's gonna cause a fire or some shit, and we about to get our new dryer in tomorrow, so might as well get it done. So it's done. It was pretty easy, but you gotta make sure you do not put your drill in counterclockwise. That will cause all these little links. That will cause all these links to basically unscrew. Then you'll fuck around and lose your shit up in your walls, whatever the fuck, somewhere. So you don't want that. So they come you come with this tape. You come with little electrical tape or whatever. And basically that shit didn't hold worth a damn. So because I did go I went counterclockwise and it unscrewed. So don't do that. Keep it going clockwise and you'll be good. So I did it about 3-4 times. And yeah. Gotta clean all this shit up and get ready for the new one tomorrow. And yeah. That's it, man. It's pretty simple. It's cheap. But I heard if you pay somebody to do this shit, it can cost you shit more than $100, man, to have somebody come fucking clean your vent. And I pay like $25 for this shit on Amazon. I'm gonna put a picture of it up somewhere in the video or whatever, and y'all can see. But the shit was cheap, $25. Took like fucking 10 minutes to set this shit up, the drill and all that shit, and took like another 10 minutes to complete the job. So do it yourself. It's easy. And I'm out.